Imagine a river so long it flows through 11 countries, a mountain so tall it touches the clouds, a railway so vast it crosses continents. Have you ever wondered what the biggest, tallest, longest, and most mind blowing places on Earth are? Let's embark on a thrilling journey to uncover the most top notch wonders of our globe. Today, we will identify prominent global natural and man made landmarks, recall facts about world geography and infrastructure, and appreciate the cultural and historical significance of these landmarks. Let's begin our expedition with some record-breaking natural features and human marvels. Longest river, the Nile River flows over 6,650 kilometers, making it the longest river in the world. It nourishes many African nations and has been the cradle of civilizations. Longest railway. The Trans-Siberian Railway runs from Moscow to Vladivostok, covering over 9,289 kilometers. It's the longest continuous rail line in the world. Highest mountain peak. Mount Everest towers at 8,848 meters. It is located in the Himalayas on the border of Nepal and China. Largest lake by volume. Lake Baikal in Russia is not only the deepest lake but also holds 20% of the world's unfrozen fresh water. Now, can you tell me, why is the Nile River significant to human civilization? And how do you think a long railway system like the Trans-Siberian benefit a country? Next, let's explore a few more fascinating top features from different parts of the world. Largest country. Russia spans 2 continents and 11 time zones. It's the largest country on Earth. Largest city by area. Tokyo Yokohama in Japan, with its sprawling metro area, is the largest city by area. Largest hot desert. The Sahara in northern Africa is the hottest and one of the most massive deserts in the world. Largest salt desert. The Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia is the largest salt flat, so large it looks like a mirror reflecting the sky. Largest sea. The Pacific Ocean is not only the largest sea but also the deepest, home to the mysterious Mariana Trench. Largest park. Northeast Greenland National Park is the world's largest protected area, with rugged landscapes and untouched ecosystems. Now tell me, what might be the challenges of maintaining a park as large as Northeast Greenland? Tallest building. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai reaches a jaw-dropping height of 828 meters, an architectural wonder. How do you think urban planning differ in Tokyo, Yokohama compared to smaller cities? Why do you think certain countries build the tallest buildings? Today we journeyed across continents and oceans, climbing the highest peaks and diving into the deepest seas. The world is vast and full of wonders, each one a window into nature's brilliance or human ambition. Which landmark surprised you the most and why? Now, create a collage of the world's top natural and man-made landmarks using magazine cutouts or digital tools. Label each and write one unique fact. So now you know, that river, that mountain, that railway, they aren't just records in a book, they are living wonders of our planet. From the silent salt flats of Bolivia to the buzzing heights of Burj Khalifa, each landmark tells a story. And now, you can tell those stories too. See you in the next chapter.